I picked this tiller up for 40 bucks at a garage sale. I don't know anything about it, but I'm gonna try to get it started. Let's pull on the chain a little bit, see if it's got any compression. Oh, it sounds pretty good. What about spark? Still got fuel in there. Oh yeah, got plenty of oil. Maybe I just drain the gas and try to start it. Not much in here. I think there's a lot of water in there. Definitely a lot of water in there. Yeah, there's not much left in there. I think that's all water down there. Take this off. There we go. I'm more concerned about all this rust right here. Look, it's definitely rusty. That's not moving at all. Which way is? This is off. That's off. That's on full throttle. That's moving better now. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of 2-cycle oil or 2-cycle fuel in here, just because that's what I had laying around. Just right here. See if we can get kick over. Alright. Looks okay. Right there. See if we get any spark. There. Yep, getting spark. I see it. While I got this open, I'll put a little starter fluid right down there. See if we can get kicked over. Yeah. Come on there. Alright. See if we can get a kick over with starting fluid real quick. All right. Sounded good. A little more fuel back in here. See if I was able to pull in any fuel. Let's try that again. Nothing's going through here. All right, we got to clean that carb. All right, let's take this carb off. I think we can get to it by taking this cover off here. Air filter looks pretty decent. All right, so this is the choke. That's wide open. That's all the way closed. Yeah, it's sucking it. Yeah, still not getting any fuel in there. Okay, got it off. Let's see how to get this apart. Looks like a pretty simple carb. That's good, but let's get this bowl off. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's a little bit of junk in there. I think I need to push this needle out here. Okay. Now let's look at this needle here. looks okay. This is pretty cruddy right here though. That is definitely a lot of dirt and rust in here. Might have to spray this out. Let's see. So this is about as far as I'm going to tear in to this carb. I think that's all I need to do. So I'm going to spray out some of these pinholes as much as I can with this brake cleaner. I'm hoping that was good enough to clean out all the pores here. Okay, gonna put this back together. All right, let's put a little fuel in here. Let's try it again. And I'm just gonna put a little bit up here. Maybe put a little bit in here too. All right, see if I get this going with just fuel. Yeah. All right. I guess it was a clogged jet. All right, let me put this back together and we'll see what else we need to do with this before we till some dirt. All right, so I'm looking at this and this is the choke here. All right, so that's full choke, I believe, and that's, wait, which one is which? I forget which is which. I think maybe that's full choke. Anyway, I don't quite understand. This looks like a book symbol, and this looks like a warning symbol. So I don't understand these symbols here. Guess I forgot to put that in. Okay, let's try this again. Gas tank is pretty dry. Hopefully that won't give me any problems. Afterwards, I want to take this out and see if I can get the tiller working. It looks like we are missing a bearing. This is for the reverse shaft. Forward is goes this. Let's see, forward. If I push it down, yeah, you see forward. That goes in there. And reverse pulls that up. There's nothing, no bearing on there like this one. So maybe that's the way it's designed. I don't know, so it doesn't lock in there. The forward locks in. Reverse doesn't lock, so I don't know, probably not, but that's all right. Forward's necessary. Forward's really the only one necessary, and then the wheel lock. Let's see, that's locked. That's freewheel. All right, so it's missing a throttle here, which I wonder if this is an aftermarket engine, or if this is the original engine, or maybe just there was never a throttle cable on here. Either way, it doesn't matter. Let's give this a shot. Oh, this looks kind of wet. We've been getting a lot of rain. Died out pretty quick. It doesn't seem to be very strong. I mean, it's dying out. Engine sounds very quiet. So I don't know if I need to mess with this throttle a little bit more to get it up, get the RPMs up. There This can be adjusted. I see this little spring here. Can be adjusted here, but it's not even full throttle. I don't know if that's gonna help. I just moved it from this hole back to this hole to give this spring a little more tension here. I just can't get it. I can't move it in this mud. Maybe I should let it dry out a little bit. Dude, I hate this. Look at that. All right, I figured it out. I got to engage the wheels. So, pick this up. All right, well, the camera cut off on me, but that is much better. You can do that with one hand almost. Really easy. Now I just got to do the rest of this. Guess it's time for a new belt. This one looks pretty old. All right, it is several days later and this came in. Just got one belt here. There's a separate belt for forward and reverse, but I just need the forward. I don't know which one is reverse and which one is forward. So we'll just assume that this is the right way, the right one. All right, well, there you go, guys. There you go, guys. It works. That's a success. Now, this garden is another story. I do not have a green thumb. This garden is not for me. It's for the wife. We'll see. She's got some potatoes planned and maybe some other stuff. I'd really like to grow like something like asparagus here. I don't know if that'll take in Tennessee soil. We'll figure it out. Anywho, so I guess I'll go ahead and close this video out. Probably a short one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. You need some big boots for this, huh? These are not the right shoes.